This is Talmage, California, east of Ukiah, and we're in Mendocino County walking through some dry farm Chenin Blanc that we get. I'm getting very excited because this stuff is just starting to taste awesome. We were here a couple days ago and it wasn't tasting quite that yet, but now we're starting to get just some of those really beautiful sweet flavors. In case anyone was wondering if we're going to do anything kind of wild this year in terms of blends, I think we're going to do a 50% Sangiovese, 50% Chenin Blanc blend off one vine. It's hard to tell here, but there's a pretty big slope on the vineyard here. And we're right at the start where the vineyard starts to move up. The difference in maturity from the bottom of the slope about 100 yards away to the top is huge. So a huge difference between the bottom and the top of the block, which makes this one an interesting pick and one that we have to weigh what the yields are down here versus what we think they are up at top. But on a very totally unrelated question, Neil Young's song Albuquerque, would it or would it not make an awesome roots reggae cover?